Just like the government loves tracking every single move we make, today in SERDNA Talk, we're going to talk about how you can track your stimulus money. And as I mentioned in my previous video, you can go to irs.gov/refund. You can also go to irs.gov/EIP, but if for some reason you just can't log on, then use your tracking device. Get your cell phone and look for this app. It's called Get My Payment. It also shows us IRS to go, and with this app, now you can track your money. You can set it up in a way so that you can get direct deposit, and you can literally see if the check is heading your way or not, or if it's on vacation. On my previous video, we talked about if you're eligible for this stimulus, then the IRS will allow you to track your money. And by now, you probably know that their website is having tons of issues as expected, since so many people is trying to do the same thing, track their money. So let's do this together. Go to irs/coronavirus/getmypayment. Go to the IRS Get My Payment page and click or tap the blue Get My Payment button to check where is your money. On the next page, where it says about authorized use, click or tap on OK. Now, on the Get My Payment page, enter your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, your date of birth, your street address, and your zip code, etc. Anything that they ask, just enter it and tap continue. On the next page, you should see your payment status, whether it's been scheduled or not. And back in April, the IRS started sending the first stimulus payments to millions of people who have set up direct deposit with the IRS, but at the same time, millions of people are still waiting for their money. The IRS once a day updates its status tracking information on who has and who hasn't received payment. Remember that you don't need to sign up to receive stimulus money, but you better have filed your 2018 taxes already, because for this 2019, we are in 2020, but for last year, we have until July 15, 2020 to file taxes. And if you are a senior citizen, if you are collecting Social Security, and if you're not required to file tax returns, then you don't have to worry about anything. Just relax. Once the money is heading your way, the IRS will send you a confirmation letter. And if for some reason you get that confirmation letter and not your money, then you will be able to file a complaint to the IRS, and good luck with that. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talk and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.